Hello and welcome to another Ramsport video. Today we take a closer look at the MGB GT Sebring. You may recognise this vehicle from one of our previous videos where we prepared, resprayed and reassembled, which we hope you agree looks fantastic in the client's chosen colour option. The vehicle came to us this time for a post-winter inspection in preparation for the summer season ahead. During this visit, the vehicle was treated to a service and fluid change, which included engine, gearbox and differential oils. Our inspection found excessive play in the front kingpins, which were also repaired prior to an MOT inspection. Following the final road test, the vehicle was returned to the workshop and given a full valet before the return to the client to enjoy throughout the summer. From all of us here at Ramsport, we thank you for taking the time to watch this, and we hope to see you again in a future video.